Welcome, my dear students. Today, our subject is Maths. In Maths, we are going to continue with the chapter 17, Handling Data. So, let us practice sums. Let's start with our first one. After visiting 10 farmers in the village, Anish represented the data by drawing pictures. Count the pictures and complete the table. So my dear students, here in the table we can see the pictures of some pet animals. We have to count it and write it down in the given column. So let us start. First picture is of dog. So there are 4 pictures of dog. In the table we will write down 4. Next is cow. 3 pictures of cow. We will write it down 3. Hen. 7 pictures of hen. So write it down 7 in the column. Pig. 1. So we will write 1 in the column. Again dog. 2 pictures of dog. So we will write down 2. Next one is sheep. 6 pictures of sheep. So we will write 6 in the column. Again pig, 2 pictures, so we will write down 2. Hen, 3, so we will write 3 in the column. Again cow, 4, so write down 4. Sheep, 5, so write it down 5. Let's move on to the next question. The type of books read by Sonu during his summer vacation is given in this table. Observe it and answer the question. Let us see the table, heading, type of book and tally marks. In types of book, comics 7 tally marks are there, science fiction 2 tally marks and adventure 3 tally marks. Now let us see the questions and answer it. So our first question is, how many adventure books did Sonu read? In the chart, we will move to the adventure column and we will count. There are 3 tally marks. So, answer is 3. Let's see our next question. Which type of book did Sonu read the least in number? Let's see the chart. In the chart, we can see 2 tally marks. And the type of book is science fiction. This means Sonu has read science fiction least in number. Now let us move on to our next question. The number of cell phones manufactured by 5 different companies is given in the form of a pictograph. Complete the table given below. So let us read the table. Cell phones manufactured by different companies, mobiles and number of mobiles. So first one is Nokia, and in the pictures we can see there are 5 pictures of mobile. So in the last column we will write 5. Next one is Samsung, 4 pictures, so we will write 4 in the last column. Next Sony, 3 pictures, so 3. Micromax 2, so we will write 2 in the last column. Motorola 3, so we will write 3 in the last column. Let's move on to our next sum. Weekly absentees in a class are as shown in the table. Represent this data using tally marks. Let us see the table and find out the answers. First, we will see the key. 1 picture represents 1 child. So on Monday, 3 children were absent. Tuesday, 1 picture means 1 child. Wednesday, nothing is shown means 0 number of children were absent. Thursday, 5 pictures means 5 students were absent. Friday, 2 pictures means 2 students were absent. Saturday, 4 students were absent. Now let us represent this data by using tally marks. So first we will take this table for reference and we will draw a table to show tally marks. In that we will mention days of week and we will start with our sum. We will first give the heading data showing weekly absentees in a class. So on Monday 3 pictures are shown, so I will draw 3 tally marks. Tuesday 1 picture means 1 tally mark. Wednesday nothing, so here also nothing. Thursday 5 pictures, so I will draw 5 tally marks. Friday 2 pictures, so I will draw 2 tally marks. Saturday 4 pictures, so I will draw 4 tally marks. Let's move on to next one. Number of sarees sold during a week at a shop is given in the form of tally marks. Complete the table. Here they had given the table. In that table they had given number of days, tally marks. We have to count the tally marks and we have to write it down in the number of sarees column. So let us start from Monday. On Monday we can see 10 tally marks. So in the last column we will write 10. Tuesday we can see 22 tally marks. So we will write down 22. Wednesday we can see 12 tally marks. So we will write down 12. Thursday there are 24 tally marks. So we will write down 24. Friday 12 tally marks. So we will write down 12. Saturday 29 tally marks. So we will write 29 in the last column. Let's move on to next one. In a class, Nandu asked each boy and girl their modes of transport to school. He took down their answers as shown below. Answer is Hina by bus, Raju walking, Pooja rickshaw, Reena walking, Sheila bus, Rohan walking. Use this data to complete the table. The table is given walking, bus, rickshaw. We have to write names of a children and number of children. So first one is walking. Let us find out how many students were walking. It is Raju, Reena and Rohan. So number of children are 3. Next one is bus. So Hina and Sheila goes by bus. So number of children are 2. Next one is rickshaw. Pooja goes by rickshaw. So number of children is 1. Let's move on to our next sum. Amy noted down the color of school bag of children in her class. She made the list as below: purple, Krishna, Sanika, Harshada; Suvarna, Anu, Shreya; pink, Yash, Jigar, Vijay, Virat; black, Bhavna, Rashmi, Jay, Sagar, Sonu, Tina, Mona, Shefali; white, Payal, Sakshi. Represent the above data using tally marks. The information is given to us and we have to represent data by using tally marks. So let us start. First. We are going to draw the columns and label it with color of bags, tally marks and number of children. So let us start with color of bags. First we are going to write the colors, that is purple, pink, black and white. So let us start now. For purple, 6 children are there, so we will draw 6 tally marks and number of children in that column we will write 6. For pink, 4 children are there, so 4 tally marks and number 4 in the column. For black, 8 children are there, so 8 tally marks and 8 in the column. For white, 2 children are there, so 2 tally marks and 2 in the last column. Let's move on to next one. The different items that Akshay bought from a supermarket are given in the table. Complete the table and then answer the question. So my dear students, they had given us the table. First we are going to complete that table and then we are going to answer the asked question. So let us start first with the table. So here they had given names of items which Akshay has bought, then pictures and then number of items. So first one is soap. 6 pictures are there, so we will write down 6 in the last column. Next is shampoo. 2 pictures are there, so we'll write number 2 in the column. Next one is chocolates. 4 pictures are there, so write number 4 in the last column. Then green apples, 5 pictures, so we will write down number 5 in the last column. Coke bottles, 4 pictures are there, so we will write number 4 in the last column. Eggs, 8 pictures are there, so we will write down number 8 in the last column. Now let us see our first question and answer it. Which item did Akshay buy more? So let us go to the table and search for the greater number. The greater number we can see for eggs. So Akshay bought more eggs. Let's see next question. Which item did Akshay buy less? Again we will go to the table and find out the smaller number, which is 2. So shampoo is the item that Akshay bought less. Next question. What is the total number of chocolates and Coke bottles that Akshay bought? Let us go to the table and find out the number of chocolates. So the number of chocolates are 4 and the number of Coke bottles are also 4. So 4 plus 4 is, so therefore total number of chocolate and Coke that Akshay bought is 8. How many more eggs did Akshay buy than Coke bottles? So let us go to the table. Eggs are 8 and Coke bottles are 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Therefore, there are 4 eggs more than Coke bottles. Now let us move to our next question. What is the total number of items that Akshay bought? Total number of items means we have to add all the items. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21 and 21 plus 8 is 29. So the total number of items that Akshay has bought is 29. Next one. The favorite cartoons of class 3 students are given in the table below. Represent the data using picture. Key: 1 picture is equal to 5 students. So let us see the table. In the table we can see 2 columns, one Tom and Jerry and another Power Rangers. For Tom and Jerry we can see 9 tally marks and for Power Rangers we can see 11 tally marks. Now let us represent this information by drawing the pictures. So the key is given, one flower means 5 students. The flower is having 5 petals. So one flower means 5 students. So Tom and Jerry we have 9 tally marks. So we will draw one flower with 5 petals and one flower with 4 petals, which means 5 plus 4 is 9. Now for Power Rangers, we are having 11 tally marks. So we will draw 2 flowers with 5 petals, that is 10, and 1 flower with only 1 petal, that is 11. The favorite snack of class 4 students is given in this table. Draw a pictograph for the same. Key: 1 picture is equal to 6 students. So let us start. As key is given, 1 picture means 6 students. So first one, samosa, we can see 12 tally marks. So we will draw 2 pictures of smiley. As 6 plus 6 is 12. Next one, pizza. For pizza, we can see 6 tally marks. So we will draw 1 picture of smiley. Burger, we can see 9 tally marks. We will draw 1 picture of smiley, and half of 6 is 3. So we will draw a half picture of smiley. 6 plus 3 is 9. So my dear student, I hope you understood this chapter.